Hey, as promised, I am back with a new video about the chip in the key for the last one. If you didn't see it, my ignition video for the Honda CRV, I'll leave it at the end of the video or whatever, so you can click. But pay attention to this one because this is the actual getting the chip out of it to put it in a new key. Hopefully, this kind of stuff doesn't happen to you. And that's what I'm going to prevent, hopefully for y'all, so y'all can learn from my mistake on why I couldn't get it to start. So hopefully on this video, you'll be able to learn exactly what I did to be able to make it happen and to get it to actually work properly. So without further ado, let's get into it. Bam! New key. Oh yeah. Kapow! Old key. This is what we're going to get rid of. First thing you're going to need is a pick. No, not that pick. Come on, y'all. We need an actual pick to open up the little window on the new key. Chip slot right there. All right, so we're going to use a Dremel tool. This seems to be working out a little bit easier and better for us in this situation. If you don't have one, you just break the crap out of it is all I know. Just be careful because your chip is going to be in the middle of it. So I've got my cutoff wheel here so we can cut into it. There's many ways you can probably do it. So just make sure you turn it on. This one actually has different RPMs that I can adjust it to. Oh, hold on, timeout. Come on, guys. Danger, danger, safety first. If you're using one of these, get something to hold the key, please. Pow, just like that. All right, now let's get ready to cut into it. Now you just don't want to cut up anywhere because like I said, you got the chip in the middle of this key. You want to be able to get to it. Yeah, you probably could cut it like this and you can probably get it open like this. Do it a piece at a time. However, there is another way to do this. So let's put it off to the side. Let's think about this for a second. All right, that's the idea. Let's go ahead and go around the perimeter of this thing. Now your key might have a little slot there that you might be able to get a flathead screwdriver and pop it open. However, the key that I have here that I'm working on did not have anything to be able to pop it open. It looks like it was molded to the key. So we got to cut around it, which is what we're doing with this Dremel tool in the cutoff wheel. Now, just be careful when you're doing it. Take your time. You're in no rush. You're not trying to hurry up with this thing. You just want to do it properly without getting hurt. So take your time, slowly cut into it, go around the whole entire thing, and it'll work out just fine. Trust me. Believe me. All right, now that you got it cut all the way around, start trying to pry it apart. You want to try to get something and get them separated. Come on. Just come off already. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Take that. All right, that's chip right there that y'all want to get. We need to try to pull that out. Now, don't be like me and try to just pick at it. I tried a few different ways. But let's get the other side off first. Let's start from scratch here. All right. So now you got the whole key separated from the plastic piece. Now, I fiddled with this thing trying not to damage the transmitter inside of it. I didn't know exactly how it was going to look. So I took my time. It looks like a pill, basically. So you're just going to want to work it a little bit, see if you can kind of pry it out some. I eventually just kind of pushed it through. Like I said, I was trying to be delicate with it or whatever, so I didn't damage anything. And find out you just push it through. Boop. Good to go. And there it is. All right, so I attempt to put the whole thing in the little window of this new key. And you find out that it doesn't fit. Hey, figured I'd try. But as you can see, it does not fit. So you got to take that little pill-shaped transmitter out. All you do is got to just push it up a little bit, you can grab it, pull that little sucker out. Put it inside that little window right there. Put the cover back on. And there you go. That's the key part, getting the transmitter in there. So let's get into more of what I messed up on. And that would be right here. Put the key in. Turn it. And it just turned over. Are you kidding me? No, we just wanted to start. Come on, son, put this thing back together. All right. This is what happened. The little donut thing I talked about in the last video for the ignition, that's what I was missing. So you'll hear about that in that video when you watch it next. But as soon as I put that on, turn it, perfect, started right on up, no problem. And that's how we want it to be. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, make a comment, ask me a question if you need to. If you like this part of the video, go look at the other one for the ignition, how to put that in. So you'll be good to go, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Have an awesome one. Take it easy.